What's up, y'all? So really quick, I am going to show y'all how to make the acai bowl. So we got some contractors here today doing work. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all really quick how to make the acai bowls. So a couple people asked, I hope y'all can hear me. A couple people asked, so I'll show you all the ingredients, how I make it, and the finished product. So here's everything that I'll be using to make the acai bowls. Everything here I purchased from Lowe's Foods. We have mango chunks, fresh strawberries. This is the almond milk that we drink. The acai, which this is in the frozen section in Lowe's Foods. There's 8 packets in here of the smoothie mix. The granola for the topping, bananas, and I'm gonna add a little almonds to mine. So the first step in making the acai bowls, you have to thaw out the packets. This is what they look like, and they are rock solid. So I'm gonna have Nick run them under some warm water just to loosen it up a little bit. Oh God. He's gonna run it under warm water a little bit. So one for his bowl, one for mine. So he'll be using, thawing out 2 of them. Yeah, that's the first step. The trick here, you don't want to melt it all the way. You just want it where you can kind of break it up a little bit for the bowl. Alright, you can do this with a blender. I'm going to be using my NutriBullet because it's easier. So, we've got our thawed out acai. Can you open it? Alright, so we got it open. This is what it looks like.
Like a slushy or ice pop.
Like an ice pop. And we're gonna put that in here. I need the mango. So I'm gonna add this. You're basically making like a smoothie bowl is what you're making. I'm gonna add some mango chunks. These are stuck together. Is he good up there? All right, and some almond milk. Again, this is the kind that we like. You can get whatever your milk of choice is. The restaurant where I tried the acai bowl adds honey. It really didn't need anything sweet in my opinion. So I'm gonna pop this on.
Stay with it.
You don't want it too liquidy. Let's do a little more. Okay. There you go. All right, and now we just gotta make it. Would you get bowls?
You said I can get them.
Oh, you want a clear bowl?
That's fine.
All right. And then you just put the toppings that you like. All right, so here's my bowl. And there's Nick's. So now we're just gonna add the toppings to the bowl. We got blueberries too if you want blueberries. I don't really want blueberries. You can put whatever toppings you want, okay? So it's totally up to you. I'm gonna put some strawberries in mine. Yes, I'm in there. And I'm gonna add some bananas as well. I'm gonna also add the granola to mine. This granola has almonds in it, but I think the other day when me and Nick got greedy, we just started eating out of the bag. And I think we ate all the almonds. So I'm gonna
like fancy one.
Oh, he trying to be cute. So now I'm gonna add some sliced almonds to mine right here. To me, and y'all, I love sweets, but trust me, it's sweet enough like it is. If you wanted to sweeten it up, add a little honey. I mean, it's healthy, so don't mess it up with like a bunch of sugar and stuff. I think I want some blueberries too. Can you pass me blueberries?
You want some more banana? Or was that good?
No. And y'all, it's really good. I don't really like to eat a whole lot when it's hot, especially y'all know if you're in North Carolina how hot it is. So this is really good for the hot days. There you go. There's mine. Look at Mr. Perfect over here. That's his.
I'm gonna dash it a little bit.
Oh, you putting almonds too?
I love some almonds on mine too.
All right, let me get some spoons. Seriously? There you have it. All right, let's see. Tell me, is it good?
Mm-hmm.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all, so that's it. That's how you make an acai bowl. All the ingredients, again, came from Lowe's Food. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thumbs up if you like this video and stay to the end. He is smashing, y'all. Look, look. Let's the ASMR. Chew it, chew it, chew it. All right, I'm about to smash too. Bye, y'all.